got no worries, got me, no. I got no problems I can see, no. I got this feeling over me like I got no worries, no. I got no worries.
Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa araw na ito at sa lahat po ng nandito. Gabayan mo po kami lagi at i-bless niyo po lagi si Yanis na may kaarawan ngayon. Gawin niyo pong maging masaya ang araw na ito.
Happy birthday, Yanis. Naway lumaki kang isang mabuting bata at may takot sa Diyos. Happy birthday!
Burned out like the 5th of July. I got my friends all calling me. Stressed out cause I realize I'm not the person I wanna be. Sold out of my cheap thrills, trying to keep up my modern life. So sad on these happy pills, but I know I'm gonna get it right. I got no worries, got me, no. I got no problems I can see.
Happy birthday, Yanis! Manong, happy birthday! Ang masasabi ko, sana lumaki siyang mabuting bata at behave lagi. Nandito kami lagi ni Papa para sa Balong.
Back when we were kids, we did it our way. Young hearts caught in quits, now it's the hard way. Lately it scrapes up knees, maybe someday we'll all get paid. Life grew me a lemon tree, it's time to make some lemonade. I got no worries, got me, no. I got no problems
Yanis, sana lumaki kang isang batang strong and healthy tulad ni Jollibee. For the second wish, Yanis, sana lumaki kang isang batang matalino. And for the third wish, Yanis, sana lumaki kang isang batang madasalin.
Salamat po sa lahat ng dumalong ngayong araw na to at napaka-bless mo namin ni Yanis at nandito po kayo. Thank you!
I got no worries.